Now, if you are working on the Azure ecosystem, there's a few offerings out there for you that kind of target different people. You need different knowledge if you want to use some of these tools. So we're going to look at a few of them. We're going to start from the bottom using the products, and based on the knowledge that you need, how much you need to know about machine learning or development, coding, and we're going to go up to more business-oriented applications. So at the very bottom, we have Azure Machine Learning. So this is a platform, this is a product that allows you to create a fully customized model. You have control over the training, you can bring your own data, you can choose the algorithm that you want to use to do the training, you can choose a bunch of different parameters in order to create a very specific model. So I'm using this tool at the moment for a project with machine learning that is a very specific scenario. It requires a model that is not available in some of the other services, some of the other tools that I'm going to show you. So if your scenario is very specific, this is the tool that you might want to use. Next, we have a set of APIs that cover different groups based on the functionality. So we have vision, speech, language, decision, APIs, obviously Azure OpenAI service that just joined recently. And then we have other APIs that target very specific scenarios. Most of them are built on top of the APIs in that second level. So bot service, Azure AI search, document intelligence, video indexer, they all solve very specific problems. Document intelligence, for example, allows you to extract information from your documents. It uses combination of vision and language, for example. Azure AI search obviously has become very famous, or a lot of attention to it, because it's a big component on anything that you're trying to do with RAG. So those are a little bit more targeted to specific scenarios. Now, obviously, all these offerings are more geared toward developers and data scientists. So Azure Machine Learning at the very bottom, you need to know a little bit more of machine learning. You need to know a little bit more about what happens when you tweak certain parameters in an experiment. And all these APIs in the second and third level, you need to have some coding experience. You need to know how to integrate with APIs if you want to use them. Now, moving up, we have the Power Platforms, so Power BI, Power Apps. We have now Copilot Studio. And at the very, very top, we have Microsoft 365, Dynamics, and Partner Solutions, all of which are, everyone is getting their own Copilot. All these products are getting their own AI in there. And these are obviously geared more towards business users. If you want to obviously customize it, then you need to have a little bit of programming knowledge and things like that. But if you're using just the Copilot out of the box, you don't really need to do anything. And like I said, it's more geared towards business users.